Morning children. Today we start online class for class 6. Children, in the previous class we have learned about how people develop food habits. Once again we will discuss in clear how people develop food habits. Children, people usually living in one region shares common food item. Understand? Whoever the people living in a particular region eat the food whatever is available in that particular region. For suppose a person came from America, he wants to stay in India for a long back, means for the next 2 years, then he wishes to eat the food which is available at that particular place. Yes or no? You don't get separate food from the USA, no? He will eat whatever the food available in the particular region. Like the people of Andhra, okay? Andhra people always eat rice and rice products because the conditions of the conditions related to climatic and geographical factors support to grow paddy here. Understand? When compared to wheat and maize and bajra in Rajasthan. That's why the people of Andhra always eat rice and rice products. But the Rajasthan people eat wheat, maize, bajra. Okay children, right now we'll see what was the processes behind the cooking food. Okay, behind each and every food item there is a process. Yes or no children? If you want to cook the rice, okay, if you want to cook the rice, what we'll do? We'll simply boil in the water. Understand children? We'll take raw rice and we'll boil it in the water. And if we want to cook the idli, we will do the same process. What we have done for the rice? No, that is familiar. Means this is separate and that is separate. Understand children? We have to steam. We have to steam the idlis for the preparing of idlis. Understand children? For each and every process, for each and every food item, there is a process behind it. Understand children? Okay, chips are fried in oil. You know that. Chips are fried in oil. Then dosa is fermented. You know, dosas are fermented on the pan. Then shallow frying. What is shallow frying? Shallow frying is nothing but 2 to 3 minutes frying. You know that groundnuts. When we want to prepare chutney, we need groundnuts, no? We will shallow fry it. Understand children? We will take some of the groundnuts into the pan and we will shallow fry it. Understand children? Then what is mixing? What is mixing? We will chop the vegetables into pieces and we will keep in the pan and we will mix it. Understand children? For frying the vegetables or cooking the vegetable items, we will mix it. Understand children? These are the processes of some of the food items. Behind each and every food item there are processes. Then last topic is preservation. Preservation. What is preservation children? What is preservation? Preservation is nothing but preventing the food from spoilage. Preventing the food from spoilage. What is preventing the food from spoilage? See, you want to cook or prepare a curry. Okay, after 2 days, while looking at the curry, what you will notice? The curry will be spoiled. Yes or no children? Why does a curry spoil after 2 days? Then why does the pickle stays fresh for a long time? You will see the pickle all the time. We will keep in the summer. Yes or no? We will prepare in the summer and throughout the winter season, rainy season, we will have it. Yes or no children? Okay, then why does not the pickle is not at all spoiled? Okay, that is there is a reason behind it. What was the reason? There is a preservation process. Okay, salt, turmeric powder, and oil are used as a preservatives for preparing pickles. Understand children? If we want to keep the pickle for a long time, we need salt, turmeric powder and oil to stay the pickle fresh for so long time. Then there are many other process, you know, fishes, salty fishes, okay, dry fishes. Dry fishes are salted, they are salted. Yes or no, children? We'll see in the fish market where there are availability of dry fishes. What they will do to keep them fresh for the long time? They are salted. They are salted. You know, potato chips. For potato chips too, they are salted. They are salted and dried. Then you know, fruits. You know, fruits, vegetables and jams, fruits, okay. For suppose you need Kashmir apples, okay, from the Kashmir you are importing that apples to your own state. Then there is a possibility of spoilage. Understand, children? There is a possibility of spoil of fruits, but they will apply sugar solution, sugar or syrup solution. Okay, children. For fruits, vegetables, next fruits and jams, they will apply sugar or sugar solution to stop preventing from the spoilage or spoil. Okay, children. Thank you, children.